Hello, welcome to yet another Igbo class. Chukwu gozie gị, God bless you. Today we'll be looking at Erimeri or Nri, that is food. Food in Igbo is called Erimeri or Nri. Generally, the Igbo people like solid food like Eba, that is Gari, Akpu, cassava, which are their suitable food. It is a suitable food because it makes them work longer. Like we said in the introduction of our class, the Igbo people are very industrious and hardworking people, so they need solid food to stay stronger and work longer. These are the major food for the Igbos. Akpu, cassava, Akpu, cassava, Eba, Gari, Eba, Gari, Ji, Yam, Ji, Yam, Ede, Cocoyam, Ede, Cocoyam, Agwa, Beans, Agwa, Beans, Akede, red bean, Akede, red beans, Unere, banana, Unere, banana, Ogede, plantain, Ogede, plantain, Oba, oil bean, Oba, oil bean, Ukwa, breadfruit, Ukwa, breadfruit, Osikapa, rice, Osikapa, rice, Ọka, maize, Ọka, maize, akwụkwọ nri, vegetables, akwụkwọ nri, vegetables, ofe, soup, ofe, soup. Today, we'll stop here. It's essential that you know this basic Igbo food. We'll look at other essential Igbo food in our next class. But before then, always remember that you should keep speaking Igbo, writing Igbo, and reading Igbo. And please subscribe and keep being there with us. Chukwu gozie gị. God bless you. God is here. Bye.